Today, everyone and their grandma has a camera in their pocket, but do you know how to make the most out of every shot? It's time to unlock your photography skills with the OnePlus Nord N30. If you're on a budget and you love to take pictures, you are going to love what the N30 has to offer. Now, this tip is called the rule of thirds. So imagine your camera is split into a grid of 9 squares. In fact, you don't really even have to imagine, just go into your settings, whoop, make sure that grid lines are on. Now, when you go to take a photo, make sure your subject is in one of those third intersection points. This is an easy way to improve your composition in your shots. And don't be afraid to zoom in and capture the best framing. The Nord N30 makes this easy with 3 times lossless zoom, so you can punch in without worrying about losing image quality. Tip number 2, directional lines. An easy way to make sure your subject stands out is by using directional lines. These can be literal lines or, more likely, subtle lines created by the shapes of surrounding objects or even shadows, all to draw your eye back to your main subject. I turn on the Nord N30's AI assistant, which enhances color saturation and contrast for even more dynamic visuals. Whenever possible, use natural lighting. Harsh, fluorescent lighting makes you look bad, and I don't need any more of that in my life, so we say yes to natural lighting, the best version being the sun. Now pair it with the Nord N30's portrait mode, which uses a 2 megapixel depth sensor to gently blur out the background elements, which we photography nerds like to call bokeh, to create an image that is both dynamic and pleasing to the eye. All right, well, those were some quick tips to help you instantly take better photos with your phone. And man, do they look great on the new Nord N30 from OnePlus with an impressive 108 megapixel camera. Don't forget to share your results with us and hashtag #ShotOnOnePlus. We'll see you soon.